fall for someone. Start to love someone deeply. Example: I think I'm falling for Alex. He's so kind. Ask someone out. Invite someone on a romantic date. Example: Jake finally asked Emily out, and she said yes. Go out with someone. To date someone. Example: they've been going out for 3 months now. Hit it off. To get along well from the start. Example: we hit it off on our first date. It felt so natural. Make up with someone. To resolve an argument and become friends again. Example: after our fight, we made up and everything is fine now. Split up. To end a romantic relationship. Example: they split up last week, but they're still friends. Break up with someone. To end a romantic relationship with someone. Example: Emma broke up with Liam because they wanted different things. Cheat on someone. To be unfaithful in a relationship. Example: he cheated on her, and now she's heartbroken. Get over someone. To move on after a breakup. Example: it took her months to get over him, but now she's happy. Settle down. To get married and start a stable life. Example: they're ready to settle down and start a family. Make out. To kiss passionately. Example: they were making out at the party last night. Lead someone on. To give false hope in a relationship. Example: she was just leading him on. She never wanted to date him. Hook up with someone. To have a casual relationship or one-night stand. Example: they hooked up last weekend, but it was just a fling. Drift apart. To slowly lose closeness in a relationship. Example: we used to be so close, but we drifted apart over time. Stand someone up. To not show up for a planned date. Example: I waited for an hour, but he stood me up. Turn someone down. To reject someone's romantic offer. Example: she turned him down because she wasn't interested. Flirt with someone. To behave romantically in a playful way. Example: I think he's flirting with you. He keeps complimenting you. Ask for someone's hand. To propose marriage to someone. For example: he asked for her hand in marriage last night. tie the knot. To get married. Example: they're finally tying the knot this weekend. Love at first sight. To fall in love immediately after meeting someone. Example: for them, it was love at first sight.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.